Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change currency on CoinMarketCap. Whether you want to switch from USD to EUR, GBP or INR or your local currency, this video will help you out. First of all, launch open the CoinMarketCap application on your device and also sign into your account. After you've signed into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now, click on Settings. Inside Settings, select Default Currencies. On the next page, select your fiat or cryptocurrency that you want to change to. Go ahead and select a default currency you want to change to from the list, and after making the selection, you can go back to the home page. Right after you do that, your app will automatically refresh. All your crypto prices across the CoinMarketCap application will now be shown in your chosen currency. You'll notice that all cryptocurrency prices are now displayed in your selected currency. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.